Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup insurance documents with Geico step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Geico website. Log into your Geico account using your email address and password. Navigate to the Documents or Policy Information section on your account dashboard. You will see a list of your insurance documents, including your policy and proof of insurance. Select the document you want to backup by clicking on it. The document will open in a new window or tab. From there, look for the download option, usually represented by a downward arrow or a similar icon. Click on the download option to save the document to your computer. Choose the location on your computer where you want to save the file. Make sure to name the file appropriately for easy identification. Repeat these steps for any additional documents you wish to backup. If you prefer using a mobile device, open the Geico app on your smartphone. Log into your account within the app. Tap on the Documents section to access your insurance papers. Select the desired document and tap to open it. Look for the Share or Download icon and tap on it. Choose to save the document to your device or share it with a cloud service. Ensure you have backed up all necessary documents securely. Consider using cloud storage services for added security and accessibility. Regularly check your backups to ensure all documents are up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.